Talking to oneself is a natural habit that most of us carry without realizing its profound impact. It's as instinctive as breathing, yet the nature of our internal dialogue often goes unnoticed. While we cannot simply silence the chatter in our minds, we can take control of its tone and direction. These inner conversations are not just thoughts, they are the seeds from which our reality grows. As the saying goes, as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. Our thoughts follow patterns laid down by the conversations we repeatedly hold within. If we wish to transform our lives, we must first transform these internal dialogues. This concept is echoed in the Bible, where it speaks of renewing the mind and leaving behind the old self. What we think and say internally creates the framework for our external experiences. Without aligning our inner conversations with our desires, we remain stuck, unable to move forward. Negative inner chatter often leads to disappointments, yet we blame external circumstances instead of recognizing the real source, ourselves. Our external world mirrors our internal world. What we think, we manifest. If our minds are consumed with negativity, this energy takes shape and appears as challenges or setbacks in our lives. To truly change, we must align our internal dialogue with the life we want to create. Achieving this begins with awareness. Becoming conscious of the mental narratives we hold allows us to rewrite them intentionally. Positive change is not achieved by fighting external problems, but by nurturing a harmonious inner state. When our internal conversations reflect fulfillment and confidence, our external world shifts accordingly. Meditation, mindfulness, and focused imagination are powerful tools to reshape our internal speech. Through these practices, we can train our minds to focus on the present moment and envision our desired future as if it were already here. Visualization is more than daydreaming. It is a deliberate act of creation. By seeing, hearing, and feeling our goals as if they've been achieved, we align our inner state with the outcome we wish to manifest. The Bible teaches, "In the beginning was the Word," emphasizing that words and thoughts are creative forces. Our inner conversations, like the Word, carry vibration and energy that ripple outward, attracting experiences that match our internal state. To create a better future, we must plant seeds of success in our minds and nurture them with faith and intention. External facts may initially contradict these beliefs, but persistence will align reality with our vision. Resistance often arises as we attempt to shift our inner dialogue. This resistance highlights limiting beliefs or unresolved fears that need our attention. Facing and overcoming these barriers is key to personal growth and transformation. Through consistent practice, we can replace old patterns of negativity with empowering thoughts that align with our ideal self. Imagine yourself as the person you aspire to be. Feel the emotions, hear the words, and live in the reality you wish to create. The harmony between your inner dialogue and your desired state is what bridges the gap between where you are and where you want to be. By aligning your imagination, thoughts, and actions, you unlock the transformative power within you to shape your life intentionally. Try this practice and experience how your inner world begins to reshape your external reality.